How to buy Trulybeauty products with special discount. Let's get started. First, open this Trulybeauty magic link. You will get free booty bundle when purchase over $150. If you want extra discount, follow these video. Click the each product do you want to buy. Then at the checkout page, input this coupon code. You will get extra 10% off. Don't forget to input your shipping address. Last, pay for your order. Comment below if this special discount was applied successfully. See you in the next video.